Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create the voice video by using the Snapchat filter on your mobile phone. It's simple. It's a filter. We can just create this voice video. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So open your Snapchat first and just need to swipe up for searching the filter and click on the filter. Now here you just need to type as the voice. So you can find a lot of filters here. As I just talking about the first filter, which actually this filter have the sound effect with the glass effect and the voice. You can see it's making as a gray shade, and now after it you can find the glass and the voice symbol with the sound effect. I just muted the sound for any issues, so you can just use the sounds and also the glass with the voice effect. Just use this filter. You can just create the voice video easily by using the Snapchat filter. Try this on your own, and if you are new to this channel, just subscribe, and we will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak Sengo from TechMade Be Unique.